Hello everyone. Today we have new session of Power BI, and in this session we learn how we apply conditional formatting in a Power BI report. Okay. So firstly we have a data of the sales table. So I want a new sales table. So I will just go to the get data and select the Excel file. So I select the another Excel file, that is sales 21 to 24, and click open. So it takes some time. So I am just selecting this sheet, the sales 21 23. If you want to change anything, means if you want to change in a row, means if you want to delete row and delete any specific column, if you don't need in your data table, so you just go to the transform data and remove the column and rows over there. But right now I don't want to remove anything, so I am just directly load this data. So it takes some time to loading. So my data is uploading here, okay, and see in a table section. This is the name. If you want to rename this table name, so just go to the rename and change the name it as 2021 to 2024. Okay. Now I come back to the page one, and here are few questions. Okay. So first question is, we want the sales 2021-23 report by sales representative. Means we want a report which represents the sales representative and the total sales. So for this thing, I am just adding one page here and go to the table, select sales representative and the total sales. So we have a total sales. So click this total sales. Okay, this total sales has no data. Go to the back, select this table and check which column has data. Okay, so actually we have a lot of blanks data here. So it requires, basically it required to delete the blank rows. So how we can delete it? Just use the Power Query editor. So now I am click on edit queries. So this Power Query editor window is open. In the left side, uh, my table is visible. So I am just selecting my table, sales 2021-2024, and I want to remove blank rows. So inside the home tab, there is a remove rows. So remove blank rows. I applied this step, and this step is already at in the applied step section. Okay. So currently blank rows is removed. Only 72 records is there. Okay. If you want to remove any specific column, okay. So I want this column, that's the total sales. I want to remove this column, so I'm just selecting this column, go to remove column and press remove column. So this is step also add in the applied step section. Now close and apply. Once I come back to this screen, so this visual represents something wrong. So I delete this visual and again process the same step, means select the sales representative and select total sales 2. Now I am getting the total sales with the sales representative. Okay, so I am just do some formatting of this report. So I am just going to the format and select the column header and increase the font size. So I select the text size section. Okay, now the second step is increase the font size of the values. So I am increasing the font size of the values here. Okay. Now add the title. Click on title. Select this. Type here sales by sales representative and increase the font size as well, and select the Arial black. So this is the little bit formatting of the report. Okay. Now I am using conditional formatting to apply the conditional formatting in the table. So firstly I select the numeric field. So this is my numeric field. The first option in the conditional formatting is background color. So I select this color, select this option color, and if you are seeing here, here is a two types of color, means green and red, but I want only single color. So I am just click on advanced control. So once I press advanced control, this type of window will come. There are few columns. The first column is based on field. So I already have to select the total sales to. If you want to select any specific field, so select that particular field. But I am right now I am not selecting any field. There is a functions. If you want to select any functions, so you choose it here. But currently there is a sum function. Default formatting is 0. Now I am coming to my fourth column, that is minimum, and fifth column is maximum. So I am selecting any specific color, means I am selecting the little light color. So like this, and the highest value I am selecting the dark color, and okay. See what is the result, means my color increase according to the value. Now I want the lowest value to number and highest value also to number, and here I type 30 lakh. Similarly, here I type 60 lakh and okay. See what happens. See all the colors, means all the values which below from the 30 lakh, the color is same. Similarly, all the values which have uh, more than 60 lakh, the color is remaining same. Okay, means the color not reflect in those values, because those values not come under our criteria, because our criteria is 30 lakh to 60 lakh. So this is the one type of conditional formatting. Now I come back to my previous page. The second question is sales 21-23 report by sales representative. So sorry, this is now it's correct. We want the sales report by city, means according to city. So what I want city wise total sales. So here I select the total city, and sorry, just a second. Press outside of this visual, select city, select total sales to. So by default, uh, this Power BI select this map chart, because inside the city column there are locations. So that's why automatically it creates the map. But I am not selecting map. I need the table. So I select the table. Now I am getting the total sales according to the city. Similarly, I am going to the format section, click column headers and increase the column size, and similarly increase the values font size, and now again I am coming to conditional formatting, and right now I am choosing font color. Okay, so I am selecting the font color. See, this is the font color. Okay, but this is the this color is green, means uh, currently my conditional formatting contains two colors. So I am again going to advanced control, and all the fields are same. So again I am going to the minimum, select here the light, choose the light color, and for the maximum I choose the dark color, and OK. See, this is the result. One more thing, I need to add title here, so I'll just click on title and type here sales by city. This thing, and increase the font size and change the font family. So this is the second visual. Now I come back to the third question. So go to the page 1 and see, this is the third question, sales report by product and sales per unit. So this report required sales per unit according to product. Okay, go to the page 2, select product and sales per unit. So this is the data which I am getting. Okay. Now again go to the conditional formatting option, headers, increase the font size. Do one thing. I am applying this thing once I complete all the questions. Okay. So I am just right now I am just applying the conditional formatting only. Okay. So here I select the sales per unit, and here I select the icons, advanced control. See, uh, this is if you are seeing here, this screen a little bit different from our earlier screens. So this column is similar, which we already previous in our previous reports. Summarization is already similar. I already covered in our previous reports. Okay. So this is the icon layout. This is the new one. So this is the position basically where we want the icon in a column. Means we want the position of the icon in the left side or right side. So you want to select here. Okay. If you want to select right side, so the item comes in the right side. Similarly, you have to select the alignment. Means uh, where you want to see the items in the top, middle, or bottom. Okay. So this is also I am selecting left of data. This is the style. Which style you want to select? So I am selecting this style. This is very better thing for to represent the data. Now I am coming to this section, and by default conditional formatting apply the formatting on the percentage basis. Okay, if you want to apply the formatting on the number basis, so select the number here. Okay, and select here is greater than or equal to, and here I type the minimum value is this is the limit 22,000. Okay, so the minimum I am typing here 22,000, 20,000, and similarly select number here, and amount is 30,000. This is the second condition. In this condition also I am selecting the number, and greater than and equal to is 31,000, 30, 3,000, 30,000. This is the 30,000. So 3001. Okay. Similarly, select the number, and less than 2. I am typing here 1 lakh. Okay. So if my criteria comes under 30,000 to 1 lakh, so this symbol will represent. Okay. Now select the number here 1 lakh 1. and the number. This is the 2 lakh. So this type of criteria I am setting in a conditional formatting. Okay, and press OK. See, this is the result. Okay, now I come back to my page 1 again, and this is the last report. Sales 21-23 report by maximum sales. So I want the maximum sales of sales representative. Means I want a report where sales representative have the maximum reports, the maximum sales. Okay, so currently I am getting the total sales. So how I can get the maximum sales? So for getting the maximum sale, I am using the measure and click new measure and apply the max function. Okay, means I am using the max function to identify the maximum total sales. So here I type max bracket open and total sales 2. Why I am using measure here? Because this is the report section, and report section consider only the measure. Okay, so I am renaming this measure the maximum total sales and enter. And select this maximum total sales. See, this is these are the maximum sales of each sales representative. Okay. Now again I am going to the format. Select conditional formatting, data bars. Before selecting data bars, select the column maximum total sales. Select the data bars. By default, this is the color of data bar. If you want to change the color, so you go to the advanced control, minimum and maximum values. So this is based on percentage. Uh, if you want to apply the conditional formatting on the specific number basis, so type the number. But firstly, I select the lowest value, means on the percentage basis. So this is the positive bar, negative bar. So currently I have only positive values. So this bar only apply. Okay. Bar direction. If you want to change the bar direction, so change the direction, means right to left. Okay. And positive bars, I am selecting the different color, means this color is okay. Now, okay, see, this type of conditional formatting is applied. So now I am selecting these two charts with the help of control key. So if you want to select multiple charts, so use the control key and go to the format and go to the column header and increase the text size. Okay. Similarly, go to the values and increase the size. Okay. So this text size is 13. Now go to the total. Same, increase the text size as a 13. Okay, it is already set to 13. If you want to change it, so you just change it. Now my all reports is prepared. So I am just use Control A and put all the reports together. Okay, and one more thing, I need to change the border also. So I select the border, means I enable the border for all the reports. Okay, so press, means border is enabled for all the reports. Similarly, the title, So I am going to the title section, and this is maximum sales by representative, and this is sales per unit, sales per unit. Now I rename this page. This is reports. So I hope you easily understand the conditional formatting, how it's work, and how it can apply. So thank you for this session. We will meet again a new session. Thank you.